Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you the biggest slimes I have. So my hair's like this because I'm so lazy. I don't really care about my hair right now, so just gonna do a quick drop down. When I mean drop down, just drop the bun and put a ponytail on. So I'm going to be showing you my biggest slimes. So I'm going to go first, second, last. Like not big, but like my first big, my second big, and my third big. No one saw that. Okay, so this is my first big. So this is, oh, it's so heavy. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to like roll my sleeves up because I already did. Okay. It's super big. And maybe one day I'm gonna mix all my big slimes together. Ooh, there's sand in the bottom. Super satisfying and super stretchy. Super heavy, super big. Ugh. This thing is really big, I'm not gonna lie. So, oh god, I almost went on my shirt. So, yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, sadly moving on to the next one. This one was a pretty old video. It's my giant slime smoothie, and then I have another one which is really previous. So, whoa, so glossy. Okay, I'm gonna try to dump. I can't hold this. Okay, oh, okay. Okay. I don't know what happened. Get that out. This thing's a lot bigger than that. It's like 2 times bigger. This thing's a giant. Well, it's a medium, not as big as Karina Garcia. It's about as big as her, like, red velvet, I think. I don't remember. Oh, guys, make sure you subscribe to Karina Garcia. She is the slime of queen, and I'm probably the princess. Okay, this thing's humongous. Okay. Okay. Next one. Okay, this one's a pretty previous one. Like, it's my slime smoothie with 3 different types of containers. Then I mixed it all together. So this slime is a purple, and the foam sticks to your hands. Okay. I know my hair's so bad. Ugh, I need to fix it later. But I don't even think I'm going anywhere later. So, yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this even to sleep. So yeah. Okay, so this is just like medium, small. So like this is my slime. It's not even really big. So that's all my slimes to get today. This was my 3rd one out of all of them. This is my biggest. So yeah. Bye guys.